Hey guys, let's see how to set up an alarm on the Tapo C260. It's super simple. So here I have my camera already working and the camera is pointing to the window so I can see some motion out there. And just here on the Tapo app, the camera is working, right? So I assume that you have your camera working already with the Tapo app, and then you want to set up the alarms, okay? So here in the front of the app, you see this alarm button here. You just need to click on it and enable, and the alarm is going to work. You see it becomes blue here, and you can hear the sound back there. And you can just disable from here as well. The camera works with motion detection. The alarm goes off because there is motion here, as you can see when there are cars passing. Here you see the motion tags. Tags are on here. That helps to show the motion, okay? So I suggest you just to enable here, and you see the motion. And here you can just go to the menu and set up the alarm from here. You just enable here, and there's alarm type. You can work with sound only, light only, or sound and light. So basically, there's a flashlight in front of the camera. It starts flashing when somebody approaches the camera, right? And you can test here the different sounds as well. See here the sound type. You can change the volume here to low, normal, or high. And here the custom sound as well. You can just record the sound and name it and use here instead of the main sounds available here. And here you can test the siren, or you can use emergency, or red alert. Those are the types of sounds. They are different, right? The alarm starts like going off. Let me just come here and change this to light, right? Otherwise, I'm gonna hear this annoying sound all the time, right? So I have here also alarm duration. You see here default or custom for 5, 10, 30 seconds. You have more options here with custom. And then you have also the schedule. When you come here, alarm schedule, you can set up the alarm for all day long, during the day only, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., during the night, from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., or a custom schedule that you can select here which weekday that you want, repeat the alarm, and which time that you want the alarm to go off, right? So, super simple. You can't set up everything here, and you're good to go. And from here you can enable and disable. You see here the motion. Oh, you need also to check here if the detection is working fine. You see here on the detection menu that you can select the area. So the camera is going to monitor this area here, and you can adjust here which type of detection. You see motion detection, person, pet, vehicle, facial recognition, line crossing detection, camera tampering, when somebody blocks the camera or sprays the camera, baby crying, glass breaking, dog barks, and cat meows. And you can also come here and adjust the sensitivity from 1 to 10. 10 is more sensitive and 1 is less sensitive. You just find which works better for you. It comes that way with 6. You can do this for person as well. So super simple, and you're good to go, okay? And one more thing, when you come here to the alarm, let me just come here again. You see that you have event type as well. Then you can check if the alarm is going to work with motion, person, pet, whatever you want here. This is just to tie the alarm to the type of the event, right? But just remember to go there on the motion detection menu and make sure that you have the motion that you want to have an alarm enabled, right? Otherwise it's not gonna work. So that's the way you can have the alarm working for your Tapo C260. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and give your thumbs up. See you in the next video.